If you have an Oraimo FreePods Pro Plus earbud and having connection issues, one side not working, problem with touch control, low or no sound, then a simple hard or factory reset can easily solve all these problems. So let me show you how to do that. Now first of all, it's recommended to forget or unpair the buds from the device is currently paired to. Then make sure the buds are inside the case and have enough charge to perform the reset process. Now keep the lid of the charging case open. Press and hold this front button for 5 to 6 seconds. You will see green LED flashing twice at the front. And then the buds will go into pairing mode by this flashing green and red LED on the right bud. Now that means the reset is complete. And now you can just repair it with the device of your choice again. And whatever problem you were facing before the reset process, hopefully is solved now. Thanks for watching.